all want to wake up early, exercise, eat healthy and live life to the fullest. We try to take control for a few days but then fall back into our old habits. Is this relatable? It's not because we are lazy, but we do not know how to break the old pattern.
We have created a perfect residential retreat called Nature to Nutrition in Dharamshala. It will transform the way you cook, eat your food, connect to Mother Nature, exercise and build long-lasting healthy habits.
We invite you to join our sessions led by experts to give you lifelong guarantee of health and joy. You can learn to build stronger immunity with whole food plant-based diet, yoga, nature walks, journaling and mindful eating. You will also meet a community of people from all around the world which will make your health journey 10 times fun.
We are dedicated to helping you learn the foundations of healthy living and how to introduce holistic lifestyle changes in the easiest ways possible. Register now to experience complete healthy living.